Hey, what's up? Hopefully it's not too loud. And just making my desktop look pretty here. Hopefully that looks decent. So, just got everything working again. It wasn't really loading properly on startup, so just want to make sure everything is kosher with sound too. Okay, sounds good. I've just been fixated on Drow lately, so I'm gonna play as Drow to test things. I want to make like a... Hey, what's up, Totem? I want to make like a different kind of society than your typical D&D all Drow are like menacing evil. Because if you think about it, all the players that want to play Drow want to play your Dritz de Worden type, so wouldn't effectively a society of Drow actually be more like a society of Dritz de Wordens, like morally good, you know, bucking the system, be a bunch of renegades, be like pirates and stuff, I don't know, it'd be cool. So I'm gonna try and make that, like, as if a bunch of players were Drow. So let's mess with, was it Traveler that allows you to, I forget which one I made, I think it was Traveler, and, you know, I'll just show off a little bit of the features again here, while I'm here. Let's see. Just a description, so now I look like this. And, you know, I'm just charming. How about that? Let's go with white, classic. Okay. Let me know if the volume is good. And I'm only testing on the server for now, like the host. As you can see, I have 2 continents. Loads pretty fine. Let's just check. Let's check torches first. What was it? Alright, cool. Hell yeah. Alright, well now let's see if this works at all. Open a bag. Stow right. Huh. Didn't seem to do anything. Yeah, okay. So whatever I did didn't work. Even on the server. But, that's cool. So I have a bag that doesn't work. I can drop the torch. It's cool. Didn't fall through the ground. Let's see. Go pick up... shit, that was a sword. Drop the sword. I want some clothes. That doesn't say anything. I have to fix the info on that. At least it has the right model, so it knows I'm wearing a thing. I wonder if maybe... Yeah, stuff is bugged here with the info again. Maybe that's why it's not working. Did it say a torch? It says a torch, though. Dual wielding torches. So let me fix the item infos first. I was already just doing a bunch of like basic fixings of things. It's probably because I don't know why. That means each of these needs it too. God. Well, at least do that with the bag. And let's see what might be wrong with... Ah, simple. I was just fixing these. That's probably the only problem there. Let's move forward. That was, wow. I don't know if I'd make it through that one. Jeez. Alright, here I am. I don't know what's up with the daytime. Let's try this. Drop one of these torches. Get that bag. Yeah. Okay. Drop the bag. See if I can pick out an arming sword from all of these. It should be your basic standard longsword type. Yeah, I think it's this guy here. Nope. Alright. I changed my search button to something I don't remember what it is now. Well, maybe this is it. No. Kinda need the torch now, don't I? That's an epi. Is that it? Just use this to look for the shape. There we go. Alright, I got an arming sword. That bag over here. There it is. Open it up. Stow right. Alright, it's got a torch and an arming sword in it. And, I'll drop it over here. Now, just in case, I'll, oh, I made it Q. Okay. So I don't know what the Q quit button is right now. Control Q? Oh, look at that. I'm so brilliant. Okay. So, that's how it works on the server. I'm using the player state to store a reference to the container. And if I hop back in here, open it up, bam, get the sword, drop the sword, get the torch, I can use the torch, drop the torch, get the sword, put the sword in the bag, get a torch, put the torch in the bag, put the torch in the bag, get a bag, put a bag in a bag. I can just do all this stuff. Alright, close it, drop it. Or I can place it. It still works. I can rotate it around using this, blah blah blah, da, da, da. I'll mess with the settings of that later. Okay, so I have to make this work in multiplayer, so let's see what happens. Basically, if I do it with more than one player. Simulate physics stuff, body, back, okay. Let's do 2 players. We are listening to some Slovakian music. Yeah, a bunch of different stuff. They're cool. Okay, so load in with the server. I'm not wearing a shirt, and everything's reset. Oh, bother. Well, okay. This happens when an item falls through the ground, so I might want to do something about that, right? For now, I'll just reset these. I mean, I thought I did do something about it, so just start with a new world again. This physics constraints, not constraints, it's physics like bounds, I don't know, set to simulate physics and stuff. Alright, let's just get in there, make him a traveler again so that we can build stuff. Want to test that? I didn't really do anything build-wise, but I can build with him. I'll demonstrate that real quick. Hammer. Use the hammer. I'll make the menu look better later, but there you go. I forget all the controls I did. Shift to... is it control to snap? What was it? It should be shift to snap, right? Anyway. Okay. What the fuck? So right after this it gets badass. Alright, character 2. We'll make a human female. Why not? Equip the tunic. Shouldn't it say a tunic on one of these? Oh, there it is. A tunic. Cloak. Well, that's because it fits over what I'm going to call things later. Anyway, not important. Important is whether or not bags work. So I can drop this bag over here, and the client can come over, pick up said bag, open it up, and get stuff from it. Drop the bag again, but I believe what will happen is, yeah, it still has the hammer because the client hasn't affected it. But if it was just the server doing it, like say get this, drop, the client goes over to it, it's like the server just left it. Now if I open the bag and stow a hammer in it, and then on the server, go pick it up, oops, pick it up, open it up, it has no hammer in it. I think though if I drop it, the client still has a reference to that hammer being in there. Yeah. So something about it's not getting done on the client. So that's what I'm really trying to do here today. This is the before, and hopefully we'll see an after soon. So this physics stuff again. Let me just see if... Okay. See, this time I opened it up and the character still had the stuff saved even though it had physics mugs. So I don't know what actually causes it to freak out like that. But... So, the question is, when I do this, I'm thinking maybe it needs to happen in a different place than a UI. All of this. Maybe do all of this on the controller.
Slnko, ktoré boskával jarný dáž, zálený v čudnej melancholii týchto dní. Drobné kvapky s vánkom studeným roztancovali odchytajúce stromy. Vtákom to však nevadí. Spievajú si svoje piesne za oknom staničného hostinca a čakajú na vlaky, ktoré nikam nevedú. Kalné ranné slnko v sichravý deň schovalo sa pred slepcom v modrom smokingu. Lúče toho slnka sú priďaleko, ale včera boli tak blízko. V tom meste starobilom, v tom meste milovanom. V tom meste milovanom.
That works, this part works. It's putting it away, but then it's not like... This part... Maybe this needs a custom event on the server here. Let's see, print string here.
Píte víno, lejte med, dcery synom dajte hneď. Píte víno, škvarte masť, dcery synov na hrob.
Dusno predbúrkové, ako v životoch našich, zapotiť nás nechá. Kým dáš nezbije posledné stopy minulosti a prekliatia na...
Okay, so I'm gonna try... It should say up here when I do this, I'm gonna hit stow right and it should say successfully stowed. Yeah, okay. And again, if I drop this over here, let's say even if I place it here, this guy can open it up. Let's see, the arming sword in there. Let's drop that bag. Okay, so I can get it. Arming sword, I have it there. If I say stow right, stowed item. does say successfully stowed item, and it does show it on there. Well, that's because I took it out and dropped it again. Or put it back, that is. Let me just make sure this isn't working. If I get it, drop the bag, what happens here? I can still get this. We both have an arming sword now. If I drop it, it's there. If I drop mine, there's only the one. And it fell through the ground. And that might be when clients drop things, maybe it's not doing it right. Yeah, that's what's causing the problem. Just seeing if it drops in the same way. Yeah, it did. Those two little ones fell through though. I wonder if it's just a server client thing. Maybe I just need to put physics back on those items. Yeah, it wasn't just a client thing. That's probably why when I reload this, nobody's gonna be wearing anything. But anyway. So let me just fix that. The hammer. Oh, just C composition. Yeah, it's on there. Need to make it bigger or something. See if that helps with that. Okay, so otherwise I was thinking maybe all that stuff has to be done on the server, on a different thing in general. Like instead of running on the menu here, maybe this should just trigger code on the character, or the controller. I mean, I'm referencing a bunch of stuff on the player state and the controller here at the end, which is working. But the part that's not working is adding the container items to... That should be... That's going to right handheld. Oh, to the container items of, yeah, there we go. The container item. I had right handheld to the container items, which works on the server. So let me just try putting a custom event here. Just another one. Just putting it right there before that part. I'll test it. I preemptively deleted the saves just because I knew it would mess up. Let's do lizard man, woman. Whatever. No building necessary here. They have the best, like I put some wetness on the skin texture. But anyway, I don't think I put pants in. I mean, I have them, but I haven't put them in yet. It doesn't matter. While I focus on this most important gameplay element, let's say battling. Again, doesn't matter. I'm not trying to build anything here. So just jump out. So what I made that do is basically say average looking, black hair, ordinary eyes if you don't set anything. Or average looking female desmodus battling nomad of the tribe with ordinary eyes. Anyway. Okay, testing. Nope. It's just not there. So I think it just has to be done on somewhere else. Let's say if I take these and I just take the input of size, weight, and container item and container items. What's on the state anyway? Let me just do, maybe I do it on the player state? Let's trigger an event here so I have reference to it. I mean, might as well try. I haven't put much else on here code-wise, just save games, so we might as well just put adding something to the inventory or not. Add item to container. So we'll get a item. We'll get a container. There's an array of items. Item to add container. And then we'll get item to add. This is container current size. Wait, I'm not sure if I don't have any way of printing out if that's changing yet. Let's open container. And this is going, yeah, that's going to right hand, okay. This is so I'm just not sure if I need to do these there as well. Guess I'll find out later. For now I'll just skip that. I'll just delete it for now, okay. I haven't done this for the other side of it, like removing items from the bag anyway, so maybe I should skip all that code. I wonder if maybe these... Oh. I wonder if... Alright, well this is I've put add item to container. Simple as that. I mean, everything else worked, so let's just see what happens with that little switch of just that one part. Stowing right is the one I did it on. See, here it didn't happen at all. I don't know what I was thinking. I think the whole thing needs to be done somewhere else, though. I have this here though, maybe I can just that, and then see if it even worked at all on the server too. It's kind of important, right? What? I didn't do anything. Didn't even disable it. Oh, okay. Yeah, it does work. I don't know why. Oh, maybe I told it to not do it if it's a bag. I might have programmed that in somewhere. Okay. That explains why that didn't happen. So technically, that worked here. So we get another torch. Another torch. There we go. And this. Okay. The other stuff happened, but I didn't see it go in here. Oh shit. Okay. This is a vast improvement. The server sees that the player has added something to it. That's pretty huge, actually, to be honest. What if I drop it now? Okay. I've only done it on the right hand, so let me grab another random thing. Well, I have the arming sword. It's the only thing I've named right now. See, it's there we go, arming sword. Okay, and that bag. Was it this one? No, that was the one I just dropped. It was this one. Okay. Still right. Oh, if I opened it again, there it is. Okay, and now if I... Okay, I think I got it to work then. I just have to do a better refresh. But basically just a test here. Has all three things. Server comes over, picks it up. Has three things in it. Hey guys. I think I technically got it to work. I just have to have it refresh better. Oh shit. Yeah. Let me do it on both things here. Whew. That's nice. It was as simple as that, doing that part of it on the player state. So from here, get the player state. Add item to container. Item to add. This one. So now stowing left hand should do that too, correctly. Oh wow. Okay, and now once you've done this, refresh container. Maybe run an owning client.
dopravači doľava, ktorý smer nám ostáva.
Okay. This is the optional if I want to make it a timer. So otherwise I'm doing it for each loop, removing, and then player state, go and player. Doing all that, basically. Maybe I just do run on owning client, or just not replicated. Let me try that. Okay. So now I should be able to stow left. Get the arming sword. Stow the arming sword. Cool. Server works. I preemptively typed success into the chat because I think it's already a done deal. These are two different bags I'm holding here. Shit. Oh. Okay, that was a bug. They were both carrying the same bag somehow. Just make sure. Okay, empty bag. Drop that shit. Let me get that bag. Okay, bags are different stuff in them. Okay. I think I made it so that you can't stow bags in bags, but I may have just destroyed that other bag preemptively. Nope, this has a bag in it now. Didn't do it here. In fact, it's not showing it at all. But if I drop it and the server picks it up, it's at least there, which is a huge difference from before. But it's not showing up on the client at all. Shit. It did duplicate the item somehow. And now this item is like not even there. Wow. Stuff is buggy. So it was working better before I did that change. It was showing when I closed or opened it. Oh shit, now it's got 2? Wow. From that refresh server option shouldn't have made that big of a difference. This guy keeps saving with this item bag. Okay. This time it's empty. Oh, I got it this time. Interesting. It was bugged before, but now it's there. It's nice. And only one of it, so technically it never duped in the first place, so if this was a real game, kind of would be fine. So let's see, I can drop that one, and yep, it's all there. So I don't know why that was able to work before. Oh, it has it in there. I have 2 of them? It still exists there. If I drop the bag now. It's in there. Now I have it too. So why did that sort of work, but not really? maybe just doing everything over here. And the refreshing the container. Like, why is that being done here? Random, but alright. I did stow it in there. If I drop it, client sees it. I mean, server sees it. So now if I drop it, oops. Oh, I still have it visible on the window here, which is a nifty thing. But yeah, it shows it on here once the server has seen it. Can get it. Still shows it being there though. Okay, it's not in there. Not in there. So container items. But that's what the button is doing, right? Open. Use, drop, equip, open, player controller is reopened. I don't really Okay, this is annoying too. So it's like when the server itself does this, it is accessing this, or it's able to make changes to it, or save inventory. I should do a little save inventory here. $319 subs, wow. Oh, hey. Hey, hey. That looks like it might be working. At least to the point where I thought I had it working a minute ago when I said success. It's all your good luck, Gamerflame. I have you to thank. Let's see if this shit works. Is that an arming sword? It is. Okay, and let's just open that up again just to see if it's not there. What? With the music, I think we'll skip to the next one. So that did not work as well as I had hoped, but it still works like this, where if it shows up on the server sees that it worked. So it did technically work. The client just doesn't see it. Oops. I just... what the hell? Okay. Anyway, it's there now that the server has seen it. I've got it. It still says one in there, though. If I dropped it and pick it up again, that seems to have worked. It's in there. Interesting. once I have like combat and inventory, all these things overlapping, I will definitely need help. But for now, it's like this is all the testing that can be done. So, works on the server. And I see the changes made to it. Yeah, okay, but I can get the item. Everything seems to work there. Could that have done it right there? Just making those replicate? Hey, wait. I didn't save them. I was doing that. Why isn't it saving it in their replications? Oh fuck. Yeah, that can mess up my whole project if I'm not careful. Okay, sorry. That will like restructure my codes and stuff. That happened to me once before. I used to use C+ when I started, but hopefully everything's okay here. So does this have to be done on the player state itself, maybe? Just... So I'm not using a timer here. Maybe that's... Alright, well, let's just get rid of that. Make some room here. Okay. See if that helps. Okay. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck? These are the same bag. Yeah, if I'm gonna be like testing stuff, I should probably reset the save games. It's weird. Dropping it and just dropping it and then picking it up again seems to refresh the contents. I do this, drop it, pick it up again. Has it in it now? So when I go to refresh these, no, wait, let me see here. So, cause on, I want the open item from the inventory menu. No, from the right hand, left hand. Yeah. That's right, this is open. Or it's actually setting. Maybe on here.
Hey, yo, lesson here, baby.
I am doing a save inventory though. Let me. I don't think that's really, because that works on the server anyway. So where's the?
Hey, yo, lesson here, baby.
Right. I don't know. Weird music. Oh, hey. That is a slight progress. The open button worked on a bag I spawned with. Okay. Let's try that other bag. Hmm. No. Didn't really work. This should be an empty bag now anyway. That should work. Damn, it worked like a minute ago. It's interesting. Worked with this bag. Okay. Nope. Interesting. It's sort of working sometimes. Like when I get an item from it, it works. But stowing an item doesn't seem to show up. Server works fine, of course. That's good. It's like it's not triggering the event, or I wonder if because I'm not hitting the game state, because that's not an event there. Something still left. Client said success. think I can still. Server set success. So that means it did get to that. I mean, it is getting to all this. Oh, maybe if I do it from here. From the right hand. Yeah, or I do open. Well, that has to happen one way or another. Let me just try putting... Oh. Yeah, I really don't even have any ideas. Be right back a minute. So basically the problem is it does work technically, but the client isn't seeing it happen unless they drop the bag and pick it back up again. At which point, when you pick up the item, you're setting your right hand item thing. But it works completely fine on the server, totally. So it's like... let me try doing this. Not replicated, then replicated. It's been 1 hour. I should probably technically stand up for a break. But let's just try something. Damn it. I don't want that. Why can't I pick up torches? Oh, what the hell? It closed it? That was weird. Okay, so it works if I drop that and pick it back up again. So something is carrying through. So it's in there. And the server will see it. I think I messed up torches. Or just, oh. Yeah, item world save stuff in general. Let me clear the saves. Actually, maybe if I just go in there. Just kind of reset the world data and then keep the characters with nothing on them. Easier. Oh, I can't. Button is not enabled on the client. Interesting. But I don't have any other ideas for how to make it work. Picking up. Don't even know. now it doesn't do that at all. Huh. This was definitely better before. Interesting. Just really fucking interesting. What about the remove item thing? Like, so that seems to work. Container item get Xcon server player state right hand held, left hand held. If it's empty, remove item. Goes here. Members and player inventory right hand held. Okay, so it's getting it. Then I don't have this. Okay, whatever. And save inventory. Load hand models. And yeah, refresh container again. So the other stuff is working. It's this here. Let me just refresh container. Refresh container. None of them are doing refreshing container by accident. But this will work just fine when you pick up an item from the ground. So it's like whatever I'm doing here isn't modifying what that's accessing. It works perfectly fine on the server. It's like a puzzle, you know? Multicast this shit? I mean, maybe or do server and client somehow? If I do switch has authority, does this have that? Sorry, I can't see right now. Nope, there's no switch has authority. Damn. Okay, so owning client. This could probably be skipped. Let's do, I think this Run an owning client. And what I'll do is basically the same thing. Let me see what happens at this point. Put some light on in here too. I can see my keyboard. Add something to it to test. Nothing. Okay, actually, so it works when I do this with a bag that I've spawned with, apparently. So let me try doing it with another bag. This bag shouldn't have a torch in it. That's strange. Okay. Wait, what? What the hell? Oh, Jesus. Okay. Right. I see what it looks like. Hold on. Just 'cause I've got all this crap. Yeah. So it's like it technically worked. I'm just not able to see it unless the server is somehow I've dropped it. But the variable is there for when I do drop it, for it to pass through. This doesn't seem to be doing anything. It's right, I wanted to make these replicate, but they don't seem to be able to change. If I just closing it and opening it doesn't work, I have to like no. That fucks that all up. I don't think I'm even using that. That's probably why. See if maybe I can pass this through. See if I can do that instead. Of course, this doesn't seem to do anything either. It would, let me just see what happens here. I'll just draw. Yeah. Change this music a bit. Whatever. Okay, that technically works for the server. Okay. can get it, technically. And technically, if I've dropped it, it's not in here anymore. And now, I mean, this is just the way it's been working. Oh, hey. Okay. Nope. Maybe the removing was working. So now I can see it there. Stowing it seems to work. Looks like I get 1 free refresh per pickup. For whether I close it or add it or no. It's not working at all. Oh, what the hell? It says none. Yeah. Bugger. Very messed up. So weird, huh? I saw the first time it'll work if I do open again. After doing get. Wow, the sky is really sweet right now. I wonder if I should just go outside and check it out. Take a break. There's only 2 people watching. But I might have just gotten it. Who knows? Whoever knows. I may have just figured it out. Whatever the fuck I just did. Maybe because when you spawn, there's a reference to something that's still in the world. Or something. Man. Because then once you pick it up, maybe it's still like a reference to the world somehow. They're very mysterious. It's like you get 1 refresh. But then after that, it won't do it again. So what is the open button doing? Container widget is a reference on the player controller. Added to the viewport. The player controller is not actually replicated. Why am I doing this? Okay. So, instead of creating the widget on the controller, which is not replicated, I will be creating it on the player state, which is very well replicated. And now on the close one, player states. Probably need to run on server this. Set consumer widget open and consumer widget move parent and then set consumer widget to nothing. Okay. Let's see if that worked. I missed the sunset. The sun is down. And it's like light blue. There's still a little bit of orange on the horizon, but you know. First we'll check serveriness. Okay. Okay. I don't believe that. Okay. It's kind of impossible. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. So, still super buggy. But at least that does technically create and close the windows from the player state. Probably should say your hands are full. What the fuck?
Just the links to the back door. Winding up the concert play. Ready, set. Hear my child, don't wake up, wake up. Hear my child, don't wake up, wake up. Hear my child, don't wake up, wake up. Hear my child, don't wake up, wake up.
I will never look at you again and like you. No one I ever know will ever look at you again and like you. You will never be invited anywhere. You will never be told anything. You are a menace. Go away.
I already have a player state thing here too, so maybe I shouldn't leave that. This is really annoying. I think I'm gonna stop for now anyway. Maybe reapproach this tomorrow. Maybe put more of this stuff right on the player state. But I don't know. It does technically work, so I'm like a half step towards it working. Alright, just make sure one more time it loads up. And of course everything works fine on the server. It's just about making it network, multiplayer. I can't wait to get to back to this part of it. It's kind of like making it awesome. But it has to function first. Alright, anyway, thanks for checking it out. I'm back at it. Home for a while, so I'll be back at it soon. After this, maybe not. Well, probably tomorrow, but we'll see.